Jakob, I hear about vibe coding everywhere these days. Can you explain to me in very simple terms, what is it and what can it do?
Yes, I can, and I'll show you as well. So, vibe coding is using natural language to program. So you just explain the AI, which app you would like to create or which software you would like to create, and it helps you write all the code for you. So here we have Databutton, which is for everyone to use. So even though you never programmed before, you can create whatever app you like using Databutton.
So no technical background, no coding experience, you can do this.
Nothing, just natural language. So we had similar to Databutton, you have Lovable, but you also have a different type of vibe coding, which is more for the experienced programmers like Cursor and GitHub Copilot, which you actually use inside your coding environment.
Okay.
But I'll show you how to use Databutton, and I will create a cool little app here.
What is this app going to do?
This app is going to give you Spotify playlists based on your mood. So let's see, you start out with describing the app, then you also have a chance to give it some more requirements, and you have the opportunity to give it more inspiration when it comes to design and so on. But we'll skip those parts.
So you don't have to do it.
You don't have to do it.
Optional.
But it's for you to specialize it and customize it even more. Here is the result.
So that's it, basically. You don't write any code. You don't have to move the code to another place. Using Databutton or Lovable, you can just have one prompt to this AI, and then it will actually give you this output.
That's correct. Just super simple.
Very cool.
And here you have the Spotify vibe player. So, Saida, what mood are you in right now?
I think I'm in a relaxing mood. I want to relax.
Relaxing mood. So here are some different playlists. You were relaxing music, relaxing lo-fi.
Really nice. Can we listen to the relaxing piano playlist?
Absolutely.
Okay. If you would like to find your own playlist on Spotify, check out the link below to use Jakob's newly created Databutton app.